Hey guys, TJ Miller with IDI. I wanted to share a cool new feature with you that Graco installed on the new Reactor 3. For years they relied on a vacuum feed system for the ISO Lube pump, but now they've installed a positive pressure peristaltic pump to run that ISO Lube pump. So we're at the point now where we need to change the TSL on this Reactor 3, and I wanted to show you a cool way to do it to get the old TSL out of there. So if you take your new TSL, you got your two lines coming out. You have your inlet where your screen is at and your outlet. So if I put the inlet inside of the TSL and leave my outlet over top of a trash bucket, then I can go into my machine, I click home, diagnostics, go down to pressure, and then I can click override. If I hold that override button, that turns that peristaltic pump on, and I can literally run that until it runs nice and clear and purges out all the old contaminated TSL or air or anything that may be in there. Once I get a good positive stream, I'm able to put the inlet back into there and I'm good to go. So now that I got all the air and the old TSL out, I can go ahead and let go of my override and we're good to go. Put the outlet back into the bottle, screw that on, put it back on the machine. So the great thing I love about this new feature is like getting all that old stuff out. Nothing frustrated me more than dumping out the old milky TSL, filling it up with nice clean material, screwing it together, in 10 strokes it was cloudy again. So this alleviates that. It gets all the old stuff out, runs nice and clear and clean, and then I can put it back up in there. So if you have any questions about that, don't hesitate to reach out to your local branch, your local sales rep, or your IDI TSR tech rep out in the field. Like and share as always, guys. TJ Miller with IDI. Thanks for watching.